Welcome to Throw Forward Thursday. My name is Graeme Codrington, and every week we leap somewhere into the future and see what's going on. Today we're not going too far into the future as we start a short mini-series on transportation. Over the next few weeks, we're going to have a look at a number of remarkable advances that are coming soon to a world near you. But today, we're going to start that mini-series by looking at a personal transportation option in the future that's already here. It's jetpacks. Yes, anybody who has watched Hollywood movies from Back to the Future to the Jetsons will know the dream of us being able to personally fly around, whether it's a hoverboard from Back to the Future or whether it's some kind of strap-on jetpack that can propel us through the air. We all love to fly. We all dream of being able to fly. Some of us literally dream of being able to fly. So this is something that we'd really like to get right. Most of the current technologies involve a little bit of jet propulsion, which can be a touch dangerous. So probably moving towards using drone technology. We know that drones are capable of lifting objects. You can put a camera on a drone and so on. So, more powerful drones should be able to have people standing on them. And then you could go a step further. And if a jetpack might be a little bit too dangerous, well then maybe something more like the Dubai police are already using, which looks more like a motorbike with sort of 4 drone type devices attached to the bottom. Now these are being used in the real world at the moment. As I say, the Dubai police are using drones, sort of motorbikes that can fly above the traffic. That's pretty cool. And in fact, the UK Navy is using these to allow Marines to go from a small little craft onto a larger ship or something in the ocean, and that might have commercial uses. At the moment, as ships come into harbors all around the world, they have to send out a pilot boat, drop a ladder over the side. The pilot climbs up into the ship and actually steers the ship into the harbor. We could now let that pilot get himself out to the ship on a jetpack. And of course you could use jetpacks for construction work. Or there's a variety of applications, including, of course, I guess, some kind of sporting activity. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Seeing people flying around and chasing each other. And I don't know, I come from a family that's pretty much into the Harry Potter books. We could actually do Quidditch now using these jetpacks. So maybe this week's Throw Forward Thursday isn't as sort of mind-blowing as some of our weeks together are, but it kicks off for us a series that I think you're going to find incredibly interesting over the next few weeks as we look at transportation options of the future. For me, I'd love a jetpack. I think it would be a whole lot of fun. I'm not sure it has too many uses besides just fun for me, but if they become available, I'm sure we'd find out what we could use them for. Throw Forward Thursday. Thank you for joining me in our Throw Forward Thursday studio. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast if that's how you're listening, to sign up on YouTube if that's where you're watching. And I'll see you next week as we talk about, well, think about this in the next 7 days. Driverless cars, yeah, we know those are coming. But what would happen if they were compulsory? If every car was driverless, how might that change the world? I'll leave that thought with you. We'll come back to it next week.